Good day everyone. Today's session is about the Unit 2 of Industrial Organizational Psychology, which is the job analysis and selection. The learning objective of today's session is to understand the definition of job analysis and to understand various methods of job analysis. The session outcomes are: the students would understood the definition of job analysis and various methods used for job analysis. The definition of job analysis is: job analysis is the study of a job to describe in specific terms the nature of the component tasks performed by workers on a particular job. A job analysis includes information about the tools or equipment used, the operations performed, the education and training required, the wages paid, and any unique aspects of the job such as safety hazards. Job analysis is undertaken to determine the specific skills necessary to the job. From the job analysis, a profile of worker qualifications can also be developed. Job analysis can also aid in efforts to design a job or a workspace for more efficient performance. It also uncovers safety hazards or dangerous operating procedures. Once these abilities have been specified, the human resources manager must determine the most effective means of identifying these characteristics in potential employees. The necessary background characteristics and aptitudes as revealed by the job and worker analysis must be assessed or evaluated in each applicant. For example, by asking specific questions in an interview or by administering appropriate psychological tests, cut-off test scores or levels for the various abilities will be established. Thus, for the overall betterment of the industrial organization, evaluation and analysis of each and every job into different components, an accurate and minute study of such components is extremely essential. Various methods are used in the job analysis process. They are observation, questionnaire method, checklist method, individual interview method, group interview method, technical conference method, work diary method, work participation method, and the critical incident technique. The first one is the observation method. In the observation method, the analyst observes the workers while they are performing their job in the plant. Using normal observation procedure, the observer collects data on job description right on the job. People may behave differently when they know they are being watched. So, it is necessary for the job analyst to remain as unobtrusive as possible. Also, they should observe a representative sample of workers and make observations at various times throughout the workday to take account of changes caused by factors such as fatigue. Much of the direct observation conducted today is through electronic performance monitoring. For example, trucking companies use onboard computers to monitor running time, downtime, and the speed of the vehicle. Cable television companies monitor maintenance workers electronically in order to record the time spent per service call. The advantages and disadvantages of this method is: this method is effectively applicable to short cycle rather than long cycle jobs, or to the jobs that differ considerably from time to time. The disadvantages are: observation is a slow and costly method, and the bias of the observer may influence analysis of the job. The second method is the questionnaire method. This method is applied to obtain information about the job through a well-prepared questionnaire. Two types of questionnaires are used in job analysis. They are the structured questionnaire and the unstructured questionnaire. The unstructured questionnaire is also called as open-end approach. The subject matter experts are the workers, supervisors and the trainers describe in their own words the components of the job and the tasks to be performed. Whereas in case of structured questionnaire, the people being interviewed are provided with descriptions of tasks, operations and working conditions and are asked to rate the items or to select those items that characterize the job. The questionnaire is either delivered to the workers personally or by post. Today, job analysis questionnaire can be administered online as well as in printed versions. The employee is instructed to provide data about the job and about him by answering the questions and filling up the questionnaire. A widely used questionnaire is the position analysis questionnaire, that is called as a PAQ, which consists of around 194 job elements related to specific behaviors and activities. The job elements are organized into 6 categories of job behavior. They are information input, mental processes, work output, relationships with other persons, job context and other job activities and conditions. The advantages and disadvantages of questionnaire methods are workers, supervisors and executives who are familiar with the job supply information about the job in view. So it is a suitable method for those who can write easily and express themselves clearly. But for the low-level employees who are not sufficiently educated and lack the facility of self-expression, usually cannot provide correct information about the job by making use of this method. The job incumbents may also answer the questions quite carelessly and without interest if the questionnaire is mailed to them. Moreover, coding and analysis of data by the questionnaire method consumes a lot of time and it is also a laborious process. To summarize this session, job analysis involves a detailed description of the component tasks performed on the job. A job analyst observe workers performing the job, make use of questionnaire. On the basis of information collected, a job specification is made to define the characteristics to be sought in the job applicants. Various techniques are used in the job analysis process. In this session, I have explained about the observation method and the questionnaire method. Thank you.